Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Cpen. First, ensure you have MetaMask installed and set up in your browser. MetaMask acts as your gateway to Web3, allowing you to manage your digital assets and interact with various blockchain networks. Connecting it to Cpen will open up new possibilities for engaging with that specific ecosystem. It's a straightforward process that we will cover step by step. Next, you'll need to add the Cpen network details to your MetaMask wallet. Open your MetaMask extension and click on the network drop-down at the top. Scroll down and select Add Network. Choose Custom Network and carefully input the required information: the network name, the new RPC URL, the chain ID, and the currency symbol. Double-check these details for accuracy to ensure a smooth connection. Once you have entered all the details, save the network. You should now see Cpen listed in your network drop-down menu. Select it to switch to the Cpen network. Your existing wallet address will remain the same, but you will now be operating on the Cpen blockchain. You can then import any Cpen-specific tokens you hold by adding their contract addresses, allowing you to view and manage them directly within MetaMask. If you encounter any issues, first double-check all the network parameters you entered. Incorrect RPC URLs or chain ID are common culprits. Also, ensure your MetaMask extension is fully updated to its latest version. For persistent problems, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Remember, always obtain network details from official Cpen documentation to prevent security risks. Your seed phrase is paramount. Keep it absolutely private.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.